Chemtrails, Unraveling the Conspiracy. Welcome to the Wonder Dome, where we delve deep into the mysteries and controversies that surround us. Today, we're soaring into the skies to explore the perplexing topic of chemtrails. Our journey begins with those long, white streaks often seen in the sky trailing behind airplanes. To some, these are just contrails, formed by the condensation of water vapor in the cold upper atmosphere. But to others, they're chemtrails, carrying a sinister purpose. To understand the chemtrail theory, we first need to distinguish between contrails and chemtrails. Contrails, or condensation trails, are formed when hot jet engine exhaust cools rapidly in the cold upper atmosphere. They consist of tiny ice crystals and typically dissipate quickly. Chemtrails, according to conspiracy theorists, are intentionally sprayed chemicals that linger in the sky. The chemtrail theory didn't emerge in a vacuum. It evolved from previous conspiracy theories like cloud seeding, where substances are dispersed into clouds to influence weather patterns. This historical context is crucial in understanding why some people believe in chemtrails. The chemtrail conspiracy theory suggests that these streaks are not mere contrails but chemicals deliberately sprayed into the atmosphere. But why? Believers argue that these chemicals serve various purposes, from weather modification to population control. Some claim that chemtrails are part of a clandestine government agenda to manipulate the climate or even experiment on unwitting citizens. Conspiracy theorists often implicate governments, secret organizations, or even aliens as the culprits behind chemtrails. The alleged motives range from maintaining global dominance to reducing the world's population. But is there any credible evidence to support these claims? Now, let's turn our attention to the scientific and logical explanations that challenge the chemtrail theory. Atmospheric scientists explain that contrails and persistent contrails are entirely consistent with the physics of jet engines. The lasting trails are merely ice crystals, not chemicals. In essence, they are a natural byproduct of air travel. Despite decades of claims, there's a striking lack of concrete evidence supporting the existence of chemtrails. No verified samples, leaked documents, or credible whistleblowers have come forward. The burden of proof remains on those who assert the existence of chemtrails. To understand why the chemtrail theory persists, we must explore the psychological factors that fuel belief in such conspiracies. Humans are wired to find patterns, even when none exist. This tendency can lead to connecting unrelated events and seeing conspiracy where there is none. For some, spotting unusual sky patterns becomes evidence of a hidden agenda. The allure of secret knowledge can be irresistible. Conspiracy theories offer a sense of belonging to an exclusive group with access to hidden truths. Believers may feel they are challenging the mainstream narrative, even if evidence is lacking. While chemtrails may remain a conspiracy theory, there are genuine environmental concerns related to aviation. Commercial aviation contributes to greenhouse gas emissions and air pollution. These are pressing issues that demand our attention. Efforts are underway to develop more eco-friendly aviation technologies. Some propose deliberate interventions in the atmosphere to combat climate change. We'll explore the science and ethics of geoengineering, which is a legitimate area of research and debate. In conclusion, the chemtrail conspiracy theory continues to capture the imagination, but scientific evidence and expert consensus overwhelmingly support natural contrail explanations. Thank you for joining us on this high-flying exploration of the chemtrail phenomenon. If you found this journey through science, psychology, and skepticism enlightening, remember to like, subscribe, and share. Keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep seeking the truth. Until next time, from the Wonder Dome, take care.